Okay guys, welcome back. So let's take a look at GBPUSD. So before we get started, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So yesterday we did analysis right for today. We told you guys that we would be expecting a bullish move on this GBP to USD. Guess what? We actually had that bullish move, and this is it. We made about 100 pips bullish move before price actually gave us a pullback on the 4-hour time frame. You can see how we took out this level where we talked about GBP USD hitting a level of 1.22362. So the price has actually gotten to that level and we've had that drop. Now we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is for the 20th of December. So in order to be able to predict such move, we would go to the daily time frame. We would see the trend, right? First thing before we place a trade is that what is the trend for that movement. So we clearly can see that this is an uptrend move. We clearly can see an higher highs and an higher lows, right? You can see impulse move that is being given. And now when you take a look at this movement from here, you will see that this is an impulse move. Here would be considered as a correction. Then a new highs have been made that broke this previous highs, right? And here comes a pullback. Then a new highs have been made there, and here comes a pullback. You can take a look at this again as a new highs. After the new highs, we expect a pullback to play out, and this is what we've gotten. After this pullback, we are expecting a new highs again. So this is one of the reasons why today we actually had a bullish move. Price give us a bullish move. So the next day also we would also expect this price to actually give us a bullish move. So we would want to see this GBP to USD give us a bullish move. I think by that time we should be able to break above the moving average. Let's see if price will be able to break above this moving average. But above all, right, for the 19, we actually had a bullish move. For the next day, which is 20, we should also expect this GBP USD to give us a bullish move. Now, when you take a look at this 4-hour time frame, right? So you take a look at this movement, price has been reacting to previously. So on the 4-hour time frame, we would want to trade what we see and not what we think. So if you see this movement, what we say that price has reacted to this level here, and once again, price came to this same level and react to it. So currently, we are reacting at this level. Now, if you take a look at this movement here that was made here, we saw that price dropped to this same level, right? Then gave us a bullish move, and then once again it came to the same level and gave us a bullish move upward. And now you can see that this price is now close to this level. So the next day, why we will be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD is that now that price has come to the same level, we expect it to actually give us a bullish move again. So we should expect this GBP USD go bullish, especially on the 4-hour time frame. We expect to see a bullish move up. Let's see if we can be able to grab about 70 to 100 pips for the next day. So GBP USD also, we will be expecting a bullish move. And now take a look at the 1-hour time frame. You can see on the 1-hour time frame, this is kind of like a ranging market move. So this up will be considered as the resistance, and this level below will be considered as the support. You can see that once this price comes to this support level, we get a rejection straight to the resistance and then downward to our support level. You can see it again. Price came to our resistance and again downward to our support. Now that this price is trading at our support level, we should be expecting a bullish move straight to our resistance level. So, and again, another reason why we should be expecting a bullish move on GBP USD for the next day.